Hi, everyone. So good to be here. I'm Germa from Codio Future. So we're talking about from high potential to high impact roles. Today, we're going to tell you the story of how Slack came to us with a technical and talent challenge. They wanted us to create a custom training for their system engineering roles. I'm here today with Saadia, who's going to tell the story. She's one of our alumni, and she's going to tell the story from her point of view.
Hi, everyone. I'm Saadia, a software engineer at Slack, and also mother of 2 little girls. I came to the UK from Morocco in 2019. Yeah, it was right in the pandemic time. I used to be a hydraulic engineer. If you wonder what is it, it's about designing water supplies and wastewater treatment plants and networks. When I came to the UK, I stepped out of my comfort zone, leaving my family, my work, and starting a life from zero in the UK, all for love. But when I came, I was full of enthusiasm, full of confidence to find a job and to be employable in the UK. But in fact, I was a bit taken back, but the fact that my Moroccan qualification doesn't fit in the UK job market, this didn't actually stop me from dreaming big and willing to acquire the skills that will make me more employable in the UK. I started by doing a course in web development. I aced the program technically and had an A+, but as soon as I graduated, I had my first baby. When I started applying after a break to jobs in the UK, I find it difficult and something was missing. It's not really technical. Back then, I didn't have any experience with the job application process in the UK. I didn't have any experience interacting with people in professional environments in the UK, since the lockdown and stuff like this. And also, I think the most impactful things for me, that I was the first female mom to work in the family. So I didn't have any role model in front of me to follow. So I was looking for a community where I feel welcomed and also where I can hear stories similar as mine. That's why I joined Codio Future. What is Codio Future?
In Codio Future, we believe that people's circumstances and backgrounds shouldn't be an impediment to maximize their potential to join great careers. So that's why we develop a software development program that is a foundation to go and join most tech roles out there. But we want to maximize the chance to be inclusive, and we cover all the expenses like childcare, transportation, internet, and laptops. The organization is made of a community of professionals like yourselves who want to share their experience, their skills, their knowledge to support other people to start great careers in tech. And one of the key elements is that we customize our training based on the needs of the stacks and the roles that the companies have, and we have placed hundreds of engineers in great careers like a Slack.
If you're enjoying this, then Lead Dev's got loads more to offer and there's tons to explore.
So the reason I love Lead Dev so much is they've got such a range of content on so many different topics in the world of engineering, leadership, and management.
So Lead Dev helped a lot on building my own career, right? And it's great to also see how it's helping the new generation as well.
Make sure to sign up and join us at leaddev.com.
Some of our great stats is that we prioritize people that have some difficult circumstances, that need some extra support to get into those great roles. And we have a great gender ratio of nearly 50-50 split. And the average age is 36, meaning that people come with a wealth of knowledge and life experience.
So my journey at Codio Future started as a trainee on their main program, software engineering program. I acquired a lot of skills, not only technical, personal skills, and I was excited to start my new journey in tech. But guess what? I had my second baby. But this time, with the help and the support of the team, I was pretty determined to find or look for a job as soon as I find the right opportunity for me. So when my baby was just a few days old, I applied for Codio Future System Engineering program. And when she was just 2 months old, I started the Codio Future System Engineering program. Actually, this is the right, more descriptive image with a newborn. So what is Codio Future System Engineering program?
A couple of years ago, Slack came to us with a challenge. They told us, we want to create a talent pipeline in system engineering, but we do not have the time to train people. And they have to be ready to join the organization and hit the ground running. Can you create this for us? So we co-developed together a 3-month intensive program. So this is following already the year that they have spent training with us. And they learned all the foundational knowledge that they need to be able to do well in these roles, followed by a 9-month internship in the organization.
So within the 3 months of intensive course, we did like independent guided study to learn about distributed system, troubleshooting and handling scale and error. And we built this endurance to learn more deep, complex concepts. So when I started my internship at Slack, I joined their demand engineering team. It's a team responsible for service discovery and traffic, internal and external traffic to Slack. And in less than 9 months, I was able to build a microservice that reduced the team console cost by 60%. When I say microservice, it's monitoring system, runbooks, testing, and the whole package. So, and also I was involved in several incident remediation tasks related to improving validation and testing to prevent from incidents related to malformed configuration. And this is the huge, I think, milestone was being able to contribute to Envoy open source project along with another graduate from Codio Future. So we had to learn C++, you know how complex this language, and also understand the architecture of Envoy, which is a complex code base, to be able to test and debug a feature that it's not well documented and in just a short amount of time. And this is not only me. So we were 4 to follow this path at Slack. 2 of us already converted, like the first cohort, as a full-time employee, and us, the second cohort, we are now currently as a contractor with Codio Future in the aim to gain like a full-time employment. You know the market right now, how it is. So in 1 year, a graduate from Codio Future were able to build a new service UI, service discovery UI, which is a platform where service owner can access their service data on the service discovery layer. And another graduate was able to develop and build the service UI that automates operational tasks for console servers. You know console, it's a registry, service registry, service discovery registry for services, sorry. So within 2 years, actually, this is huge. One of our graduates was able to write a design document and led the implementation of Cube native console service registration, which aiming and it's saving right now $1 million of cloud cost for Slack every year. And also, another graduate was able to improve the service discovery propagation time by 85%, using half the resources. And last but not least,
at Codio Future, we love technical challenges. So as you have seen, we are ready for the next stack, for the next set of technical requirements that your company may have. We have a stand here at Codio Future. We believe that there is a middle ground between going after graduates and boot camps and just going after the senior leadership. We can build the stack and the requirements that companies need, and we would welcome a conversation. Thank you very much for the time today.
Thank you.